Hello everyone, welcome to SRN Knowledge Centre. I am Bhupendra Kriplani, Faculty of Accountancy, SRN International School. Today we are going to discuss the topic from class 12th Accountancy. The name of the topic is Not-for-Profit Organization. First of all, we should understand the meaning of non-for-profit organizations. These organizations are set up for providing services to its members and general public. Club, charitable institutions, schools, religious organizations, trade unions, and welfare societies. These organizations normally do not undertake any business activities. These are organized as in charitable trust or societies, and the subscriber to such organizations are called members. The affairs of these organizations are usually managed by a managing or executive committee elected by its members. The main source of income of such organizations are subscription from members, donation, legacies, income from investment, etc. The fund raised by such organization through various sources are credited to capital fund, or we can also say them general fund. Let's start with the financial statement of non-profit organization. These organizations are required to prepare financial statement at the end of every accounting year to know whether the income is sufficient to meet expenses or not. Preparation of financial statements are necessary to provide financial information to its members, to its donors, contributors, registrar of societies, etc. Next is general principle of accounting are fully applicable in the preparation of financial statement. The financial statement of non-profit organization consists of first, receipt and payment account, second, income and expenditure account, and the third is the balance sheet. Let's start with the receipt and payment account first. It is a summary of cash book. Receipt and payment account is a real account. Receipts are recorded on the debit side while payments are recorded on the credit side. It shows the total amount of all receipts and payments, irrespective to the period to which they belong to. It includes all receipts and payments, whether they are of revenue nature or capital nature. Non-cash items such as depreciation, outstanding expenses, accrued income, etc. are not shown in this account. It begins with an opening balance of cash in hand and cash at bank, and it closes with the closing balance of cash in hand and cash at bank. Let's see the format of receipt and payment account. Debit side is a receipt side. It begins with the opening balance of cash in hand and cash at bank. On debit side, it records all types of receipts like subscription, general donation, sale of scrap, lockers rent, proceeds from charity show, legacy, specific donation, sale of investment, sale of assets, life membership fees, entrance fees, etc. Now let's move to the credit side. Credit side is a payment side. It records payments like wages paid, salaries paid, rent paid, taxes paid, insurance, printing and stationeries, postage, advertisements, sundry expenses, audit fees, repairs, renewals, purchase of fixed assets, purchase of investment, purchase of books, sports equipment, etc. And finally, it closes with the closing balance of cash in hand and cash at bank. Another account, income and expenditure account. It is a summary of income and expenditure of the non-profit organization for an accounting year. It is a nominal account. It is prepared on an accrual basis of accounting. It records only revenue expenditure and revenue receipts related to the current year. Let's see the format of income and expenditure account. Debit side is the expenditure side. It records only revenue expenditures related to the current year. Now the revenue expenditures are like wages, salaries, rent, taxes, insurance, printing and stationery, postage, advertisement, sundry expenses, audit fees, repairs, renewals, etc. Now let's move to the credit side. Credit side is the income side. It records only revenue receipts related to the current year, like subscription received, general donation received, sale of scrap, proceeds from charity show, lockers rent, etc. If credit side is greater than debit side, then the balance will be known as excess of income over expenditure, and in short we say it's surplus. Now if the debit side is greater than credit side, the balance will be known as excess of expenditure over income, in short we say deficit. Let's come to the next type of an account, that is balance sheet. Let's see the format of balance sheet. On liability side, we record the items like life membership fees, legacies, specific funds, specific donations, creditors, outstanding expenses, capital fund, etc. On the asset side, we record items like cash in hand, cash at bank, outstanding expenses, fixed assets, investments, sports equipment, etc. I hope you all have understood the meaning of non-profit organization. Thank you. If you liked the video and found it helpful, then please like it, share it, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.